Hello everyone, and welcome to CRSys training. In this video, we will go over some helpful tips that will help you with navigating through CRSys. The first tip we'd like to go over is beaming participants. When you are assigned to multiple studies in CRSys, and you find that one of your participants for one study may be eligible to enroll in another study that you're assigned to, rather than inputting their information in the new study all over again, you have the option to beam that participant to the new study. On the participant list, find the participant you would like to beam to a new study. Once you have found your participant, you will go to the Actions column, and you can select Beam to whichever study. For this example, I'm going to beam this participant to my Happy 2 study. You select Beam, and now that participant has been added to my Happy 2 study. If I wanted to verify that the participant has been added, I would go to the new study and search for the participant's name. You will see that the participant's GCRC ID beamed over to the new study, and I may need to go into the profile to update the status of the participant. Another helpful feature in CRSys is deleting participants from your participant list. Say, for instance, you want to do a bit of cleanup on your participant list. Perhaps there are some participants that have completed the study or were not eligible. If you are absolutely done with the participant's information and would like to delete the participant from the study in CRSys, you can delete them from the study by going into their profile and selecting the status to delete. To do this, you would select the participant that you would like to delete, and you can click on their GCRC ID, which will bring them to their profile. At the bottom of the screen, you would select Edit, and then you would select Delete. You will need to give a reason why you would want to delete the participant. So in this example, this participant has completed the study. Please be aware that unlike all other functions in CRSys, when you're deleting participants, you will not have the option to submit and confirm. Once you select OK, that participant will be deleted. So make sure that you want to delete the participant. Another helpful feature in CRSys is setting up appointment reminders for your participants. When your participant has an upcoming appointment, you can remind them of their appointment, or you can remind them of anything additional they would need to know for that upcoming appointment. For instance, if they needed to be reminded to drink water or be fasting, or whatever quick reminder you want to send them, you can set this up via email. So under the Study tab, you would go to Reminder Setup, and you will be brought to the Study Reminder list. This will display any current reminders that you have set up. If you want to add a new reminder, you would select Add Reminder. And here you would be able to set up the number of days you would like to set up the reminder before the appointment. So if I wanted to remind my participant a day before their visit to be fasting, you would select 1 day. And here I would select the visit that they would need to be fasting for. So if they needed to be fasting 1 day before visit 1, I would select visit 1. You can also email an additional person to help your participant be reminded. And here you would be able to type your reminder message. So I want to remind my participant of their upcoming appointment and to be fasting. You will notice there are different codes that you would use if you would like to embed the appointment information. So if you want to embed the visit date, you would need to put the code in as it is displayed here. If you wanted to embed the visit time, you would need to copy this code. So for example, you can say your appointment is on visit date code at visit time code. And it should look just like this. And now I want to add that the participant should be fasting. If you want this to be a defaulted reminder, you can select the effective date and the expiration dates as well. You can also deactivate the reminders if they're no longer needed. Once you're done, you would submit and confirm, and you'll see that the reminder has been successfully set up. You'll go back to your reminder list and you will see your defaulted reminders.